Affiliate marketing, what we do is all we do is just market the product. So I want to make that very clear, and I want to actually just kind of keep that in the back of your mind. Do you want to start an online business that's profitable to either take you away from your 9-to-5 job, spend more time with your family, make some extra income, or whatever the case is, right? So if you guys do, you're more than likely have been looking or are searching for something. That's how you landed on one of my videos here. If you guys are new to this channel, thank you so much for coming and checking this out. Please subscribe and like this video so I can actually put out more information and more content for all you people out there. What I am is, my name, first of all, my name is David G, and I talk about affiliate marketing, online business, passive income, and also different ways to make money online. So if you guys actually landed on this video, they're either searching, trying to find something, trying to find a different way to make money online, or have heard about affiliate marketing. So a little bit about my backstory is I'm an actual full-time EMS helicopter pilot, and I've been doing this for about 5-6 years. But the thing is that I actually spend a lot of time away from the family, and that's why I got into affiliate marketing. That's how I got into starting my own business. So later on, I can actually build it, and I would be able to spend more time with my family and also make some extra income on the side, right? So if you want to start an online business that's profitable, where you can start making money online, this is the place to be. So like I said before, thank you for coming in. I'm going to be showing you here in this video how I started, where I got my training, what I did, and where I'm at as far as how I got to where I'm at right now. So let's jump into my computer here so I could actually start showing you where I went. So right here on the same page, this is actually my YouTube channel here. The first spot that I went to, or where I first started, was going to be Legendary Marketer. I know if you've actually heard me, if you follow me, you guys have heard me talk about Legendary Marketer, promote it, whatever the case is, right? A little backstory on me, as I was saying earlier, I am an EMS pilot, but I've actually tried to start making money for a couple years now from online, from either Amazon FBA, eBay. I've tried a drop shipping store, which went horribly wrong just because I didn't know what I was doing back then, and I didn't really have the guidance to guide me to make it successful. Okay, not until I came across Legendary Marketer and I became an affiliate marketer. So what I do now is I promote products for other companies, and when a customer buys or clicks on my link and they buy, I get a commission from that. So basically, we are just marketing the product. That's all we really do. We don't handle any shipping. That's the company's responsibility. We don't handle the product, the inventory, customer service. We don't handle any of that. That's all on the company side. What we do is just market. That is all we do, and that's where we can focus 100% of our time and our effort into marketing. So, and it's actually helped out a lot because, for one, it is budget friendly. You don't need a lot of capital to start up. For example, if you're trying to start up your own store, product, whatever the case is, right? You don't deal with any customers or anything like that. So it's actually a really budget friendly, easy business to get into. And then of course, if you want to start expanding, and that's something later on the line, if you want to get into your own product or wherever the case is, that's something different. So affiliate marketing, that is actually what I do, and that's how I actually came across Legendary Marketer. If you kind of see on my screen here, this is actually my main dashboard page on the 15-day challenge. This is what I always tell people, what I recommend for people to start when they want to actually get into this business. Why? Because for one, it's only a $7 training, and it's for 15 days. You kind of see here that it unlocks it for 15 days. And what they go and they show you is they show you the training as far as the copywriting, right? How important is copywriting when you write emails? How to get attention span from people, right? Because nowadays in 2021, 2020, our attention span is probably about a couple seconds before they swipe to the next video, go to something else, or whatever the case is, right? So we have to grab their attention really quick so they can stay and listen to our story, right? Let's see, let's go down the line here. Let's see, if you go to day 3, which is actually my favorite, and I love showing this because it's actually one of my favorite days. They actually show you how to build a business in 30 days. If you don't know who this guy is right here in the back, this is actually Dave Sharp. He's the founder of Legendary Marketer, as well as my mentor that actually helped me through this. Continuing down to day 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to go through a couple days here because I don't want to actually bore you on all the days, but they actually explain to you and they give you the information, what you need, right? On top of that, in here, you also actually get a personal advisor to kind of help you through, somebody on the other line, a real person that they could actually help you and talk to you as far as what your problems are, what is your concerns, you know, if you have any questions, whatever the case is. That's actually what actually got me to go into this course, because as I was saying earlier, drop shipping, I didn't have anybody to turn to when I got stuck. I try to use YouTube, which is a great actual platform, but when you need a specific answer, it's very difficult for you to find that answer right now, unless you have somebody actually talking to you. And that's what actually got me into this program here. You have so much support from your advisor, and on top of other affiliates, the community, they have Facebook groups and so forth, right? So this is actually where I first started. So let me see, OPM, Other People's Money, How to Build Businesses. They kind of just show you all that stuff. And this is actually not just for affiliate marketing. Let me just put that out there. This is Legendary Marketer is an online educational course that teaches you how to market. Whether you want to be an affiliate marketer, you want to start your own store so you can learn how to market your own products, whatever the case is, right? They have different products for different sections on what you want to do. Okay, as you kind of see down here, the challenge is the 15-day challenge is what I recommend when you first came in, and then you have different products, right? So I actually went into their affiliate marketing business blueprint, and that's actually shows you from A to Z every little thing that you have to do, from setting up your funnel, your domain, getting your email scripts, campaigns, everything like that, right? But they also have Traffic University, right? How to get traffic, 15-second leads. If you're trying to get on TikTok, right? So much of the stuff, super affiliate secrets, my account support, so my advisor, all that other stuff that you actually have here on Legendary Marketer. So I just wanted to actually make this video because I do have a lot of people asking me questions as far as what the 15-day challenge is. They get confused from the 15-day challenge to Legendary Marketer and how to start. This is where I always tell my guys to who reach out, this is where you start, because for one, this is what I started and I know what's in this course because I took it, right? And for two, they show you and they help you out from A to Z. That is pretty much the biggest thing that for when I actually went through it. So this is where I first started, and I went through the 7-day business challenge. The 15-day business challenge that's for $7. This is where I want to go through. What I want to show you is, I want to show you, if you don't know exactly what affiliate marketing is or starting to get new to, I want to show you how the whole process works. So I actually created this here, and what I want to do is I want to take you through on how to get people from either social media, engine platforms, get them through your funnels, take them all the way to the products, right? Affiliate marketing, all we do is just market the product. So I want to make that very clear, and I want to actually just kind of keep that in the back of your mind, because that's all we really do. We don't handle anything else. If you look on my screen here, you'll see that this is actually the simple process on how affiliate marketing works. Now, this is what you get from the Legendary Marketer. They teach you how to set up everything, what to do from traffic, setting up your funnels, your email strips, all the way getting them down to the sales website. So we're going to start off to the left, and you're going to be gathering people. Obviously, if you want to start an online business, you need traffic. That's actually a very crucial part of your important part of your actual business, right? Traffic. Without traffic, there's no sales, there's no leads, there's no sales. So we're going to come up here on the left hand side, and we're going to be getting people traffic from either Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, anywhere that there's people that we can actually grab traffic from, right? I personally use TikTok. It is the easiest app right now to get in front of millions, if not thousands, if not millions of people for your products, whatever you're promoting, right? What I do is I go from TikTok and I either send them over to my Facebook group, so I can actually introduce myself a little bit better and kind of show them what affiliate marketing is, how to do it. I also send them over to my YouTube channel right here, where I explain more in detail if I'm trying to explain to them a certain process or a step or whatever the case is. I have more time here to kind of explain it to them, or I can send them straight into the product. So the opt-in page. Now, this is actually where your sales funnel starts. And like I said, in Legendary Marketer is where they're going to show you every little thing as far as what you need, how to do it, why we need it for. A sales funnel, you want to actually take people into your opt-in page. Opt-in page, you want to actually grab their email. That is actually very important in your online business, is acquiring and gathering emails. Okay, you grab their emails, and then once you grab their emails, you'll send them over to a thank you page. A thank you page is pretty much, or slash bridge page is going to be a page where you're going to be transitioning your face, because they've only been seeing your face on TikTok, Facebook, or whatever the case is, over to the product that you're promoting. So in this case, Dave Sharp or Legendary Marketer, right? I'm going to explain to them that I'm going to be here. This is actually where I'm going to send them to, so they won't get confused. Remember, the number one thing is a confused buyer will not buy. If they get confused, they're pretty much going to cancel or close out of wherever they're at. From the thank you page, send them over to the affiliate offer, and of course, if they buy from there, you'll make a commission, right? Or part of the sale. Now, after that, so the majority, and let me just backtrack here. The majority of people are going to go through the sales funnel, but about 80-90% are not going to buy just because they don't buy on the first try. This is where your emails come in. Since you gathered their email, you can actually go and send them emails, right? It all depends on how often you want to send them emails. Every day, every other day, whatever the case is. But you want to remind them why they actually clicked in and gave you the email, because they either want to start making money online, they want to start something else, right? So this is where the emails come in, and of course you just kind of remind them, you get closer to them, they get to know you a little bit better. So that is what the email process is all about. So this whole process is pretty much how affiliate marketing works. It's simple. You can kind of see it's right there. It's simple, but the thing is, you need to know the little keys, those little things that attaches TikTok, Facebook to your opt-in page, to the thank you, what kind of emails to write, right? Copywriting, how to actually talk to your customers, right? How to get them over to the sale. And you're not actually trying to sell them something, you're just trying to show them and show them why they need it, right? For example, if people are trying to make more money online, if they're trying to get away from their jobs, this is what you need, right? I'm not trying to force them or persuade them on how to buy something. I'm just showing them what they need in order to make their lives better. So that is actually the biggest thing. What Legendary Marketer does is they fill in the blanks between the traffic, between your sales funnel, your emails, and all that other stuff that's actually very difficult for a lot of us to actually kind of connect. So we know the basic stuff, but to connect everything. And that is why I always tell people Legendary Marketer is where I first started. So if you guys want to start the 15-day challenge or get into Legendary Marketer, there will be a link down in the description here. It's going to be the first one. It's going to take you through, explain everything step by step. So just wanted to make this quick video so a lot of people could actually understand what the difference is, how it is, what they offer, where I'm at, and whatever the case is. So if you guys have any questions on this video, please drop them down in the comments here. As I was saying earlier today, if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video. That way I could actually make more content and you would actually get notified when I do upload new videos, whether it is talking about Legendary Marketer, traffic, whatever the case is, right? So drop your comments down there, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one, guys.